Since going digital, we've become even more responsive to customer needs. Our processes are now standardized, so many tasks run automatically. Internal orders can be triggered instantly, and everyone on the team knows exactly what to do. I'm Catherine Simperl, CEO of Simperl AG, a family business from Gumligen with a team of 25 employees. Our core business is clearly focused on supplying the food service industry. What matters most to us is meeting our customers' individual needs, whether it's custom recipes or specific portion sizes. Our customers are head chefs who face daily challenges. When they place an order by midnight, they count on having everything delivered first thing the next morning. The spontaneity their guests expect is the same our customers expect from us. Today, we've reached a point where many of our processes are highly streamlined, whether through online platforms, email, or personalized consultations over the phone. The fast-paced nature of our industry challenged us to keep processes lean while still ensuring consistent, high-quality output. That's why we chose bossInfo. They were able to digitize our processes effectively. The deciding factor in working with bossInfo was clear. They understand our industry and truly get our needs. Their solution is comprehensive, from capturing basic orders to handing off data to our accountant. Thanks to the intuitive user interface in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, which powers bossFood, we're able to advise customers quickly and professionally over the phone and enter orders right on the spot. Over the years, I've experienced a very solution-oriented and collaborative partnership with bossInfo. Even when we hit technical roadblocks or complex challenges, we were always supported. And in the end, we always found a smart solution together. It's difficult to put an exact number on the time we've saved, but you can feel it. Things just flow. No downtime, no delays. Everything runs smoothly. One major benefit has been the integration of Microsoft 365 with Business Central. It lets us process and send documents with ease. Thanks to the cloud-based solution, we can even capture customer orders on-site using a tablet and send the documents immediately. Looking ahead, we're especially excited to optimize our accounts payable workflow, so we won't have to process delivery slips manually, but capture them automatically using AI.